Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I want to talk about how not to pay off a loan. But first, I want to say that if you have any questions about what you heard today, you'd like to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. And please also like and subscribe to my videos so you get more content like this in the future. And feel free to drop any questions you have in the links in the comments below. Now, how do you not pay off a loan? This one's pretty simple. I had a potential client call me, and they received a loan from their brother-in-law. And they were paying it back over time, and then the brother-in-law got sick. So the brother-in-law's wife said, well, why don't, to protect my money, because she's married to the brother-in-law, why don't you guys sign this paperwork? So now they signed that they had a loan with the sister-in-law. Brother-in-law and sister-in-law get divorced. Even though they paid off the brother-in-law, the sister-in-law never signed any documents that said the loan was paid off. So now she's sued them in court because she wants the money that she's entitled to according to the loan document that they signed. This is how you do not pay off a loan, okay? Before you make the final payment, especially if it's a private loan, get the payoff number, okay? Get something right that says you're down to your last $100, your last $1,000. Then when you make the last payment, make sure either in the same transaction or right after, as long as it's agreed to. And I would always prefer it to be done in the same transaction, meaning you give them less payment, they give you the payoff. Okay? This is especially done with private loans because you can't really trust a private loan. You can trust, to an extent, banks, and even then you have to fight to get that payoff sometimes. But when it's a private loan, they don't have the same regulations, same statutes, none of that. So when you get that private loan, meaning, corporation ABC loans you $1 million and you have to pay it back with 5% interest, something like that. That's a private loan. You have to make sure you get that payoff letter and that you get that satisfaction letter saying it's paid. Again, in a private loan, I'd make sure it's always the same transaction. As you're giving them the final payment, they're giving you the satisfaction. Okay? So, again, just to reiterate, how do you not pay off a loan properly? You don't get that satisfaction. You don't get that final payoff. You don't get acknowledgement that your debt is no longer owed. Because then, some shady person like this will end up trying to come after you for the same money you already paid off. All right, if you have any questions about what you heard today, you'd like to discuss this topic more in the future or discuss your business, or you think you have a potential case, just go to meetjde.nyc to book that consultation with me. And again, like and subscribe to this to my channel to get more content like this in the future. And any questions or comments you have, please drop them down below in the comments. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.